Yo, Kenya! Let's talk money, specifically where to park it when you're not quite ready to spend it all. We're talking about money market funds, the chill zone for your cash. Imagine a savings account but with a bit more swagger. That's a money market fund in a nutshell. You put your money in, it hangs out with other people's money, and together you earn some interest. Now don't go thinking this is some get-rich-quick scheme. It's not. It's more like a slow and steady wins the race kind of deal. The goal is to keep your money safe and sound while earning a little something on the side. But hold up. Before you go diving headfirst into the world of money market funds, there are a few things you've got to know. Stick around and I'll break it all down for you. All right, picture this. A football match without a referee. Chaos, right? That's why we have the Capital Markets Authority, the CMA for short. They're like the referees of the money market, making sure everyone plays fair. These guys are the real deal. They set the rules, keep an eye on the players, that's the money market funds, and make sure everything's running smoothly. Think of them as the financial watchdogs protecting your hard-earned cash. They're kind of a big deal, these CMA folks. They make sure that the money market funds are playing by the rules and not taking any unnecessary risks with your money. They're all about transparency and accountability, which is what you want when you're dealing with your finances. So, next time you see the CMA logo, you can breathe a sigh of relief knowing that someone's got your back in the wild world of money market funds. Okay, so you're ready to dip your toes into the money market pool. But with so many options, it's like trying to choose a flavor at an ice cream parlor. Don't worry, I got you. First up, we've got the big dogs, the established players like CIC Asset Management, Genghis Capital, and Sanlam Investments. These guys have been around the block, they know the game, and they've got a proven track record. Then you've got the up-and-comers, the new kids on the block, like Saiton Asset Managers and Zimele Asset Management. They're hungry, they're innovative, and they're looking to make a name for themselves. And hey, let's not forget about the banks. Yep, even your friendly neighborhood bank has a money market fund or two up their sleeve. Think of it as a one-stop shop for all your financial needs.
So, whether you're looking for the tried and true or the fresh and new, the Kenyan money market has got something for everyone.
Section 4. Show me the money benefits of money market funds.
Now for the good stuff. Why bother with money market funds in the first place? Well, my friend, let me enlighten you.
Firstly, they're like the superheroes of liquidity. Need your cash in a jiffy? No problem. Money market funds are like that reliable friend who always picks up their phone, ready to hand over your cash when you need it.
Secondly, they offer higher interest rates compared to your average savings account. We're not talking about becoming an overnight millionaire here, but hey, every shilling counts, right?
And thirdly, they're relatively low risk. Remember the CMA, our financial referees? They make sure these funds are investing your money wisely so you can sleep soundly at night.
But wait, there's more. Money market funds are super convenient. You can manage your investments online, track your returns, and even set up automatic contributions. It's like having a personal financial assistant at your fingertips.
Section 5. Not so fast money risks to keep in mind.
All right, before you go throwing all your money into money market funds, let's get real for a second. While they're generally considered low risk, there are a few things you gotta keep in mind.
First up, interest rates can fluctuate. Remember that slow and steady thing I mentioned earlier? Well, sometimes it can be a little too slow. Interest rates can go up or down, which means your returns aren't guaranteed.
Second, inflation is a real thing. You know how the price of everything seems to be going up these days? Yeah, that's inflation, and it can eat away at your returns if you're not careful.
And lastly, while money market funds are generally safe, there's always a tiny chance that something could go wrong. It's like that one friend who's always losing their keys. It's rare, but it could happen.
But hey, Don't let these risks scare you off. The key is to do your research, understand the potential downsides, and make informed decisions about your investments.
Section 6, to invest or not to invest? That is the question.
So there you have it, the lowdown on money market funds in Kenya. They're a great option for parking your short-term savings, earning some interest, and keeping your money safe and sound.
But remember, just like choosing a safari destination, it's all about finding the right fit for you. Do your research, compare different funds, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
And hey, if you're still not sure, talk to a financial advisor. They're like the safari guides of the financial world, helping you navigate the terrain and make the best decisions for your financial future.
So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, explore your options, and start growing your wealth 1 shilling at a time.